What's up guys, Ryan here with Gregory Fence. Today we're on site at Arlington National Cemetery with NAFCA, taking part in an incredible project to restore sections of the fence line here at one of our nation's most sacred places. Part of NAFCA's mission is to bring contractors and vendors together for meaningful, hands-on projects that make a difference. And we couldn't think of a better place to do that than right here, honoring our country's heroes. For this install, we're featuring our standard C-post, paired with a polycarbonate post stiffener from Modern Fence Technologies, adapting our system to a beautiful 8-foot aluminum ornamental security fence by Antebellum Manufacturing. We're driving the posts with a Titan PGD 3200 XPM, using a 30-inch extension handle, a top comfort grip handle, and a 2.5-inch guide sleeve for perfect centering. This project really highlights what makes our industry special: collaboration. We teamed up with Log Cabin Fence, who brought their Billet Pro driver and expertise, along with Veterans Fence, North State Fence, AR Outdoor, Ken Cove, AFSCO, and Fence Armor.
That's it, guys. For more information on upcoming projects with NAFCA, visit fornafca.com. And for more information on the C-Post, visit gregoryfence.com.